Sai Ram, Namaskar. I offer my humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba.
ఆచి కారం పొడి
అదరగొట్టే కారం రంగు రుచి ఆచి కారం పొడి.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, respected ministers, dignitaries, elders, ladies and gentlemen, brothers, sisters, gurus, teachers, and all the wonderful artists and performers, the students who have enthralled us with their dances, all the musicians who have enthralled us with such riveting performances, the singers, beautiful children of Bal Vikas, and students from all over. Welcome. Thank you for being here on this historic and sacred occasion of the centenary celebrations of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. My heart is filled with deep devotion and gratitude. Though a century may have passed since his divine birth, his presence, his principles, his teachings, guidance, and his compassion continue to reverberate in the hearts of millions worldwide. I extend a heartfelt thank you to you, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, for being with us here today and for honoring this special occasion. I'm looking forward to listening to your wise words, impactful and inspiring as always, to enthrall us this morning. Your presence here adds sanctity and inspiration to this centenary celebration and reminds us of Swami's message that true leadership is service, and service to man is service to God. I stand here today and in all humility and honesty can say that this divine message I have always held deeply close to my heart and put into practice in life. Once a Bal Vikas student, always a Bal Vikas student. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba often spoke about the 5 Ds, 5 essential qualities needed for a meaningful, purposeful, and spiritually anchored life. Discipline. Discipline is the mark of a true human being. Dedication. Whatever you do it as an offering to God. Devotion. True devotion is the flow of love towards God. Determination. Once you have chosen the right path, never turn back. And discrimination as in the ability to choose between right and wrong, truth and untruth, the very heart of spiritual life. Swami once said, education should not be for a living, but it is and should be for life. The Sri Satya Sai Baba education system is a shining example of this truth. From Bal Vikas programs to value-based schools, colleges, and even a free multidisciplinary university, serving thousands of students every year free of cost, without discrimination and rooted in values. Sri Satya Sai Baba also gifted India and the world an unparalleled healthcare model. His super speciality hospitals here in Puttaparthi, Whitefield, Kolkata, and in Navi Mumbai provide world-class treatment completely free of cost to lakhs of people, proving that the 5 C's he always spoke about, that is, compassion, charity, character, calmness, and contentment, not commerce, must drive caring for all humankind. From the historic drinking water mission that brought portable water to millions in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, to global disaster relief, rural service, and youth empowerment programs, the Sri Satya Sai organization has served without seeking reward, guided by Swami's immortal words, "Hands that serve are holier than lips that pray." Bal Vikas was never just a weekly gathering for us. It was a positive space where values were not just taught, but joyfully experienced. Those years were a divine training ground that molded minds, hearts, and spirit. We learned that practicing Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, and Ahimsa in thought, word, and deed set the very foundation of all practices in life. As Swami said, "You are not one person, but three. The one you think you are, the one that others think you are, and the one who you truly are." True self is the Atma, the divine reality within. Realize it and live it. As we celebrate 100 years of Sri Satya Sai Baba's blessed advent, may we all rededicate ourselves to his divine message. Love all, serve all. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one language, the language of the heart. And there is only one God, and He is omnipresent. Sai Ram, Jai Hind.
ఆచి కారం పొడి
ಅದರ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಾರಂ ರಂಗು ರುಚಿ ಆಚಿ ಕಾರಂ ಪುಡಿ.